Hi there and welcome to the program. This is Josh. I'm here on my own. I'm here to talk to you about how to save money booking hotels through the Wyndham Group. It's actually a well-known organization and definitely worth purchasing points for. They do sell points periodically throughout the year. And today I'm going to talk to you about how you can do that and what the real benefit is of it. All right. Instruments. We're Josh and Petra, and we retired early to travel the world. Our goal? 70 countries on 7 continents by age 70. So follow along to see how it all unfolds. So most people think of hotel loyalty programs are just basically useless, honestly. You earn a few points every time you stay at a hotel. And maybe you get a free night here or there depending on how many times you've actually stayed after a period of time. But what if I told you that there's a way to book $500, $800, and even $1,000 hotel rooms for a fraction of the price, sometimes for less than half the cost? And the crazy part is most travelers completely ignore these programs, specifically the Wyndham program. I hardly ever hear about it on YouTube. I don't think I've seen a single video that anybody talks about the Wyndham program. So today I'm going to break down the Wyndham Rewards program and how it actually works. But more importantly, we're going to talk about where the real value comes from, the hidden perks most people overlook, and the one strategy that can drastically increase the value of your points. So by the end of this video, you'll understand how travelers are using this program to save hundreds or even thousands of dollars on hotel stays every year. Let's start with the basics. Wyndham Hotels and Resorts, Inc. is an American hospitality company operating over 9,100 properties in 95 countries under more than 25 brands. Wyndham Rewards allows you to earn points whenever you stay at one of their hotels. Those points can be redeemed for things like free hotel nights, room upgrades, travel experiences, and sometimes even airline miles. But where these programs really shine is when you start using them strategically. Because the difference between an average redemption and a great redemption can literally mean saving hundreds of dollars on the exact same hotel stay. One of the biggest advantages of the Wyndham program is its hotel footprint. With thousands of properties worldwide, this program covers everything from budget travel to luxury resorts. For example, within the Wyndham Group, you'll find brands like the Wyndham Hotels and Resorts, which is considered a luxury level. They've got the Ramada by Wyndham, which is more of an intermediate or a business platform. They get a lot of conferences, etc. And then you have a company like Howard Johnson by Wyndham and other long stay hotel groups that are more budget friendly. This wide range is important because it means you can use your points for everything from a quick road trip or a luxury vacation stay. Next, let's talk about how you actually earn points quickly. Most people assume the only way to earn hotel points is by staying in the hotels. But in reality, there are 3 main ways to earn points. Hotel stays is still the primary way. Whenever you stay at a property in the program, you earn points based on how much you spend. Typically, the range is from 5 to 10 points per dollar spent. 10 points per dollar for the majority of the hotels in the brand, and then their long stay hotels such as the Water Walk extended stay. That's a bit of a tongue twister. Earns 5 points per dollar spent. The second way to earn points is through a credit card. They have 2 credit cards. The one I'm going to talk to you about today is the Wyndham Rewards Earner Plus card. It often comes with a large welcome bonus. It's currently running 75,000 points as a welcome bonus after you spend a certain amount of money. It also includes automatic elite status, so you get platinum status right off the bat. Platinum is just below the diamond status, which is their highest level. You get a free night certificate, which is they call an anniversary night, so every year on the year that you opened your card from the first time. They will give you free 7,500 points, which is the equivalent of a stay at one of their lower tier hotels. And there are bonus points on hotel stays. They have rotating offers for program members, extra points, either double, triple the points for certain stays, or sometimes they add like a bonus amount of points for different locations or different times of the year. But those are advertised within the program itself, and it's for members only. The good news is you can be a member very easily. All you have to do is provide either an email or a phone number. So that means even if you're not consistently staying in hotels, you can still build a solid balance of points pretty quickly. If you're if you're interested in learning about the Wyndham Rewards Earner Plus card, I'll be breaking it down a little bit further in the video. And then of course, stacking these promotions with credit card bonuses can dramatically increase your savings or earnings of these points over a short period of time. Now let's talk about elite status, because this is where your experience really starts to improve. Most hotel programs have 3 main status levels, each unlocking additional perks. You know, it'll be like silver, gold, and platinum. Some of them do silver, gold, platinum, and diamond, and that's the case with Wyndham. Depending on the program, these benefits may include room upgrades, late checkout, early check-in, bonus points on stays, complimentary breakfasts, or food. For example, within Wyndham, one of the most valuable perks is the guaranteed suite upgrades at check-in for Diamond Elite status. So if you think about it, your Diamond Elite status, you can book a regular room, go to the hotel, and at check-in, ask if they have an upgrade to a suite. You'd like to upgrade to a suite. It's free if they have one. So, I mean, that's a big deal, because now you're paying regular room rates for a suite. That's a significant savings in of itself, right? So, big perk right there for getting into diamond status. That benefit alone can get you a free suite upgrade, and it applies to all room purchases, even those acquired with points. With Wyndham, one of the biggest advantages is the simple and predictable award pricing structure, which makes it easier to find value when booking with points. Wyndham Rewards Earner Plus cardholders also enjoy 10% off on rewards or point purchases, meaning that the 3-tiered cost system that they use for hotels, level 1, 2, and 3 on Wyndham, normally are 7,500 points, 1,500 points, and 30,000 points per night. Now you're at a 10% discount, and you're looking at 6,750, 13,500, and 27,000 points per night with the Earner card. So again, another great perk. And this means that the basic room costs approximately $44 a night in a level 1 hotel, which is a big deal. And I'll be getting to why that's a big deal coming up. So where does the real value come from? This is where things get interesting, because the real value of hotel loyalty programs isn't in earning points, it's how you redeem them. Here's a simple example. Let's say a hotel room costs $300 per night in cash, but the Wyndham points price might only be 15,000 points. If you go by the value of many sites, and there are sites out there like the Points Guy or the Frequent Miler program, etc., they are consistently valuing Wyndham points at 0.65 cents per point. That means that 15,000 points is the equivalent of $97.50. So instead of paying $300 per night, now you're paying $97.50 in your points, which is a significant savings. I mean, you just paid 33% of the cost of that night's hotel. Boom, 66% right off the bat, right? That's right. That's why experienced travelers focus on high cash price hotels with reasonable point costs. So you're looking for a hotel that is generally expensive, but the hotel chain has rated it a lower rating than the average price per room. I'll explain that a little further, make it hopefully better sense of that here in the future. One of the strategies that experienced travelers use all the time is they take advantage of point sales and bonus promotions. Programs like Wyndham's frequently run promotions where you can buy up to 100% bonus. And that's really what you want to do. They offer sales throughout the year, 40%, 60%, 80%. You want to buy the 100% bonus sale. And the reason for that is now you're going to get the value, the point value that they're predicting on these websites like TPG and Frequent Flyer, yes. Those websites are going to tell you it's 0.65 cents per point. Well, the way you get 0.65 cents per point is purchasing these points at 100% match. So, and if you buy the maximum amount, which is, I believe, the limit for the year, 4,400 points, it costs approximately $2,600. It's a bit of a steep price right up front, but after you go back and you are booking your rooms, you will realize that this is a huge savings over booking directly with a hotel. So, if the math works out, buying points and then redeeming them for a hotel stay can actually be cheaper than booking the same room with cash. This strategy works especially well at luxury hotels, resorts, and expensive cities during peak travel seasons. My personal example is we needed a room in Prague, and we were looking for apartments, and we just could not find any apartments at the price point that we were looking for. And our price point was $50 a night. You'd think, okay, that's reasonable, right? Well, the best that we could find really was more like in the 80 to 150 range, and that was pretty high. We were going to stay there for 12 nights, and we were there prior to the start of the Christmas markets. So we were kind of looking for a place that was, if not in the old town where they have the Christmas markets, somewhere nearby. And we just were not finding anything. So I said, hey, why don't I look on the Wyndham app and see if they have anything available. Well, lo and behold, they had a Ramada Inn right there, 5 minutes walk from the Christmas markets. And I was like, well, that's perfect. How much does it cost? Turns out it was the 7,500 per night points. So what is that? That's $48.75 per night is what we were going to pay, which is well below what we wanted to pay. Well, not well below, 50 is where we were, but it was right on point where we wanted to be. And it happened to be available for those entire 12 nights that we wanted, which was excellent. So I went ahead and booked it, and ended up being $535 for 12 nights in Prague. More importantly, it's at the start of the Christmas markets. We'll be there for 3 days at the very beginning of their Christmas markets, and that's a peak season. I went back a month later to see if we could change the dates around, and I was not able to because the weekends were already sold out. So I couldn't do that. However, what I did notice is how much it was per room, and it was in euros, 300 euros. Right now, that's $350 per night. So we saved a lot of money by using points instead of paying in cash. In fact, I've got the numbers right here. I'm looking at 86% off. Do you want 86% off? I know you do, so pay attention and do it this way. We saved $3,600 for a 12-night stay. I mean, it's insane. What a great deal. So, what are the biggest strengths of the Wyndham Rewards program? The biggest strengths are it's a simple award chart, 3 tiers. Makes it really easy, and they have plenty of great hotels, just like the one I talked about in Prague, at the 7,500 mark. And then they have others that are in the 15,000 mark, and really 9,750 is what it would be one night at 15,000 points. That's really not unreasonable either, especially when you're talking about these large cities where it's going to cost $200+ a night. It has strong redemption value at vacation rentals and a massive footprint of roadside and budget hotels. So the other great perk at this hotel is we get breakfast for free. They're going to serve us breakfast for free, which is excellent. And the hotel has a casino. We don't happen to be gamblers, but I will go ahead and check out the casino anyway. They are partnered with Caesars Hotels national or internationally, so it'll be interesting to see what they have going on there. I'll have to do a video on that and let you know how it goes. So the Wyndham Rewards Earner Plus credit card, core value, best for frequent Wyndham guests and road trippers. Annual fee is $75, which is easily offset by the yearly bonus. I mean, $75, you're essentially paying for a free night. And that's what they give you every year on the card, so it works out. It's a great deal. And you get automatic platinum status and 10% fewer points needed on your free nights when you use the card. So that makes it even more valuable. The current 2026 welcome offer was 75,000 bonus points, and I'm going to break it down for you right now. It's 45,000 points after spending only $1,000. That is so low on purchases in the first 90 days. I mean, most of us in America could do that just on a grocery trip, right? one month trip to Walmart is $1,000 easy, right? 30,000 points after spending $500 more on Wyndham purchases. So you spend another $500 on Wyndham hotels. Well, in Prague, that'd be 2 nights. So now I just spent 2 nights in Prague and spent approximately, well, at $1,500, you're talking about, that would be 5 nights in Prague at $300, right? And then I get 75,000 bonus at 7,500 points per the low tier. Now I'm looking at 10 nights free at 15,000 points. It's 5 nights free or 2.5 nights in one of their luxury hotels. It's worth it, right? It makes complete and perfect sense after you do all the math. It makes sense. That's definitely one you want to get. So like other cards, this has some accelerations. So if you're purchasing stays at Wyndham Hotel or gas stations, or at gas stations, it's going to pay you 6 times the points per dollar spent. It pays 4 times the dollars spent on dining and grocery stores, and then 1 time per point or 1 point per dollar spent on everything else. In addition, you get the automatic platinum status, as I mentioned before, which includes early check-in, late checkout, preferred room selection, and some car rental upgrades through, I believe, Budget and Avis. I think they give you the automatic gold tier. 10% discount on rewards, or the Go Free Nights as they call them, for the card holder. You get your anniversary bonus of 7,500 points every year. This card comes with no foreign transaction fees, which makes it excellent for traveling like we're doing. And is it worth it? Yes. I think I could go over this again and again and again, but ultimately, if you're going to be staying at Wyndham, which is a really smart play, if you're traveling long term, if you want to stay for a number of days really inexpensively, then this card makes complete sense. You ought to have it in your wallet. So here's the bottom line. Hotel loyalty programs like Wyndham Rewards can be incredibly powerful tools for travelers. When used strategically, they allow you to book hotel rooms for significantly less than the cash price, take advantage of elite perks, and stretch your travel budget much further. And the key is understanding when to earn points, when to buy points, and when to redeem them. Once you understand that system, you can start unlocking some serious value from these programs. So if you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. On this channel, we're going to talk about credit cards, travel rewards, and strategies to help you travel more while spending less. And if you want to keep learning about hotel loyalty programs, check out my other videos where I break down the best travel credit cards and point strategies, the same ones that I'm using. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the posts.